it on stage or in front of the camera. How many times have you all felt that the strength of your voice have actually gone down gradually as you started speaking? How many times you have felt that you are not able to speak? Well, confidence doesn't come with any luck or fluke. It comes with technique. In this video, I'm going to share some vocal warm-ups which is definitely going to improve your control as you speak, the command of your voice, and how can you be much more confident and create that impact as you start speaking. Hi everyone, my name is Ishan Sengupta, and I'm your certified public speaking coach and the soft skill trainer. The first question comes is why vocal warm-ups? Well, vocal warm-ups keeps your voice relaxed. It helps you to strengthen your voice and to have that impact of your voice. And if you do these vocal warm-ups, your voice will be under your control. In this video, I'm going to share 4 vocal warm-ups. These vocal warm-ups will help improve your breath control, expand your vocal range, and help your voice to be strong, clear, and relatable. The first vocal warm-up is known as diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing is also known as belly breathing. This deep breathing technique engages your diaphragm muscles rather than your chest muscles. When you breathe from your chest, you actually feel weak pretty early, but when you actually breathe from your belly, your voice becomes much more stronger. Diaphragmatic breathing makes your voice stable, louder, and less fatigued. The next vocal warm-up is known as the siren. This vocal warm-up is mainly used to modulate your voice. If there is no variety in your voice, your audience will get bored. This vocal warm-up mainly relaxes your vocal cords and improve the flexibility of your voice. Here is a pictorial representation of your voice at high and low pitch. Let's take an example. When you actually say E, your voice is at low pitch, and when you say E, your voice is at high pitch. That's the difference. The next vocal warm-up is tongue twisters. And tongue twisters are a great way to reach precision when it comes to your voice flexibility. So how to do it? You need to take a pen and give the support of your teeth, and you try to take any tongue twisters of your choice or any paragraph or any article, and you try to read that as slowly as possible. Give importance to clarity and confidence, and as you do it consistently, I'm sure that you will reach to a place where you can give your voice of a lot of relaxation and make it sound much more better. You can also have better control by doing or practicing tongue twisters. The last vocal warm-up is known as the counted pause. When you are nervous while speaking, you tend to forget your lines sometimes you fumble, sometimes you use a lot of filler words. Now, in order to achieve and create that impact with your voice, you need to learn counted pause. Your pause should not be too long or your pause should not be too less. It should be calculated, and once you are able to master it, you will be able to reach to a condition where you can have a much better control over your voice. I hope you like this video and the 4 vocal or voice warm-ups which I shared. Do share in the comment box which one you find much more interesting and much more useful. With this is me, Ishan, signing out. Hope to see you again in the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel and keep supporting. Thanks for watching this video.